To enhance your gaming experience in PUBG, adjusting the graphics settings can significantly improve visual quality and performance. Follow these steps to increase the graphics settings in the game. Step 1. Launch PUBG. Open the PUBG game on your device. Ensure that you are logged into your account and are on the main menu before proceeding to the settings. Step 2. Access settings. Navigate to the settings menu by clicking on the gear icon, usually located in the upper right corner of the main menu. This will open the settings interface where you can adjust various game options. Step 3. Select graphics settings. In the settings menu, find and select the graphics tab. This section contains all the options related to visual quality, including resolution, texture quality, and effect. Step 4. Adjust graphics options. Within the graphics settings, you can modify different parameters such as resolution, texture quality, anti-aliasing, and shadows. Set these options to higher values for improved graphics, but be mindful of your device's performance capabilities. Step 5. Save and apply changes. After making your adjustments, ensure you save the changes by clicking the apply button. This will apply the new settings, and you may need to restart the game for all changes to take effect. By following these steps, you can successfully increase the graphics settings in PUBG, enhancing your overall gaming experience. Enjoy your improved visuals and gameplay.